Hello, I'm Vikas. Today I'm going to explain visible light communication and its potential indoor communication. Introduction. Welcome to today's presentation, Visible Light Communication or VLC for short. You may be familiar with wireless communication technologies such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but have you ever considered using light to transmit data? That's exactly what VLC does, and it has potential revolutionize indoor communication. Imagine being able to use your smartphone to control the lighting in your home or office, or using light to transfer data between devices at high speeds. These are just a few examples of the exciting possibilities that VLC offers. So sit back, relax, and let's explore this fascinating technology together. What is visible light communication? Visible light communication is a wireless communication technology that uses light waves to transmit data. It works by modulating the intensity of light emitted by an LED bulb at a high frequency, which can be then detected by a receiver device. This allows for the transmission of data such as text, images, and video. One of the biggest advantages of VLC over other forms of wireless communication such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is its security. Since light waves cannot penetrate walls, VLC signals are confined to the room they are transmitted in, making it difficult for hackers to intercept or interfere with the signal. Additionally, VLC does not cause interference with making it ideal for use in crowded areas. Applications of VLC. One of the most promising applications of VLC indoor positioning. Unlike GPS, which struggles to provide accurate location data indoors, VLC can be used to pinpoint a user's location within a few centimeters. This makes it ideal for use in environments like hospitals or warehouses, where precise location tracking is essential. Another rare where VLC shows great position data transfer by using light wave to transmit information. VLC can achieve speeds of up to 100 GB per second, making it significantly faster than traditional Wi-Fi. This makes it ideal for use in situations where large amounts of data need to be transferred quickly, such as in scientific research or video streaming. Benefits of visible light communication. Visible light communications can offer benefits over traditional wireless communication methods. One of the main advantages is its high bandwidth, which allows for faster data transmission and more reliable. Additionally, visible light communication is more secure than other wireless communication methods because it cannot penetrate walls and is not susceptible to interference from other devices. Another benefit of visible light communication is its low power consumption. This makes it an ideal choice for use in energy efficient buildings and devices. Furthermore, visible light communication can be used to provide location based services such as indoor navigation and tracking, which can improve security in various settings. Challenges of VLC. One of the biggest challenges of VLC interference of mother light sources. This can cause signal degradation and make it difficult for service to communicate effectively. To address this challenge, researchers are exploring techniques such as wavelength division multiplexing and orthogonal frequency division multiplexing to improve the reliability of VLC systems. Another challenge of VLC visible light can travel further than radio waves. It still has shorter range than traditional wireless communication methods. To overcome this challenge, researchers are experimenting with new materials and technologies that can increase the range of VLC systems. For example, some researchers are exploring the use of reflective surface bouncing light signals around obstacles and extend their ranges. Benefits of VLC in indoor communication. VLC technology offer high level of security for indoor communication. Unlike radio frequency signals, which can be intercepted and hacked, VLC signals are confined to a room and cannot pass through walls. This makes it an ideal such as hospitals for government buildings. In addition, it enhances security. VLC also provides radio F signals. With more and more devices utilizing wireless communications, RF signals are becoming increasingly crowded. VLC, on the other hand, operates in the visible light spectrum, which is largely free from interference. This means that VLC can provide a more reliable, consistent connections everywhere in the environment. In conclusion, visible light communication VLC has potential to revolutionize indoor communication with its advantages over other forms of wireless communication and various applications such as indoor positioning, data transfer, and smart lighting system. VLC can greatly improve our daily lives. However, there are also challenges to overcome, such as interference from other light sources and limited range. Despite these challenges, the current state of VLC technology is promising, with increasing adoption in various industries.